first thing you'll need to do when going on a vacation is decide what type of suitcase you want to bring. In the photo, you can see there are 3 suitcases. A small backpack, a duffel, as well as a real suitcase. Your best option here is a suitcase because it's the most durable out of the 3 options. The small backpack you can bring in addition, however, it's not going to be able to carry you for your whole entire trip, even if you're just going for a day or 2. And the problem with the duffel is it's made of a material that's typically not waterproof. If you purchase a waterproof duffel, then this is a great idea. However, if you choose to check your bag, then you will not be able to keep it resistant from any type of weather. Depending on how long your vacation is, you're going to want to bring your razor. However, razors are sharp and you don't want to just throw it in your bag. Some people will put their razors in a Ziploc bag. However, Ziploc bags are notorious for opening and your razor can actually cut the bag open. The best tip is to use binder clips, something that most people have in their household. It doesn't really matter how big your binder clips are. My binder clips don't fit completely over my razor, but what I do is I put it over the blade, and because they're a little smaller, I use 2. Like so, and then you just clip them down and you can put them in your suitcase and not have to worry about being cut by the blade. When packing for your vacation, a lot of times people bring a bunch of airplane-sized bottles for their creams, lotions, shampoos. That can really add up, especially because most of the time you won't use that whole bottle. For example, hair gels and any hair product, you may not even use more than just the size of a contact case. So you can just simply fill what you need in your contact case. Many times we bring a lot of makeup with us on vacation. However, most of the times we don't even touch half the stuff that's in our pouch. So we shouldn't bring the whole pouch. You can actually use an empty glasses case to fill just the essentials of what you need. If you're anything like me, you only really use a mascara and an eyeliner, which fits perfectly in a glasses case and allows you to not have to take all of your makeup. Many of us put airplane-sized bottles in Ziploc bags to avoid spilling. However, most of us have also experienced the overspill when the Ziploc bag opens and your products have spilled and it gets all over your stuff, which is why you should be smart and actually put the first Ziploc bag in a second Ziploc bag and tightly zip it to make sure that even if it does spill, the odds of it getting through 2 bags are really slim. A large mistake that people make is actually folding their clothes and putting it in their suitcase. Folding clothes contains air within your clothes and it doesn't really optimize the room within your suitcase. To optimize the room in your suitcase, you're actually going to want to roll your clothes tightly, like so. So you start from the top or the bottom. It's easiest to start from the top and just roll your clothes. And this actually will allow for more room within your suitcase and you can roll anything. It also prevents wrinkles because when you fold, you make creases, but rolling does not create creases. Anyone who's like me really likes to keep the shape of their shoes. I'm a huge shoe person and I have so many pairs. And nothing kills me more when I put them in a suitcase and they get squished. However, lucky for me, I own a bunch of pairs of socks that I typically bring on vacation. So if you take your socks and actually stuff them into your shoes, fuzzy socks work the best, you'll be able to keep the form of your shoe, and when anything presses down, it won't misshape it. Overall, today we have learned how to do a lot of things, but most importantly, how to pack most efficiently for your next vacation. Everything from simply stuffing a shoe to double zip-locking your bags. These are all important tips, and I hope they're helpful for the next time you go on a great vacation.